Hi there, my name is Cindy and I'm a student with Boise State University. I'm currently enrolled in the Multidisciplinary Studies, also known as the MDS program. The MDS degree is something offered to non-traditional students with at least 58 credits or even more, with a cumulative GPA of at least 2.25 and with some life experience, such as being in the military, being a parent, or simply being in the workforce for a while. This program is different from all the others, I feel like, because it's something you can customize. So you and two other classmates are not going to have the same degree. You can choose what classes you take to help shape your education as well as your future career. And you can even use past courses to earn certificates and/or minors alongside your Bachelor of Arts degree. You can also expedite your graduation date. For example, myself, in the past, had taken criminal justice classes, and if I would have stuck with my major in criminal justice, I would be looking at another 2 years. But because of the MDS program, I'm looking at another 2 semesters, which is amazing. You can also choose to take courses online only if you're that type of learner, or if you are a learner where you need face-to-face and online, you can do the flex track, which is awesome. You have an option. This program can accommodate all types of schedules and all different types of careers and different types of students. So because of this program, which I recommend to so many people, I'm able to look at my finish line just around the corner. If you're interested in learning more about the MDS program, you can visit mds.boisestate.edu and you'll be on your way of learning more about this program and how great it is and see if it's a great fit for you.